In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the X sign on your files. Now there's a simple fix for this, guys. What you want to do is come here and search for this PC, or you can just open up File Explorer and then go to this PC. Then what you want to do, once you found OneDrive in here, you want to right click on it and you want to go to Settings. Now if Settings is not up here, you can press Show More Settings or Show More Options down here and you'll be able to see the settings. Then you want to open it and head over to Account, and then you want to click on Unlink this PC. Now the reason that the red cross is on your files, it basically just means that you don't have enough storage on your OneDrive. So if you unlink this PC, it will now be removed, and if it doesn't disappear right away, you can just restart your PC after doing this and then it should disappear. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.